9. And after 209, 210 is already given. And in the next line, after 210, which number come? After 210, 211 come. And 212 already given. And after 212, which number come? 230. And 214, 250. And 216 is already given. And after 216, 217, 280. And 219 already given. And after 219, 220. After 220, which number come? After 220, 221 come. And after this, 222, 223, and 224 is already given. And after 224, 225 come. And after this, 226, and after this, 227, and 228 is already given. So after 228, 229, and after 229, 230 come. In the next line, 231 is already given. Now after 231, which number come? 232. And after this, 233, 234, 235, 236, and 237 already given. And after this, 238, 239, and 240. After 240, which number come? After 240, 241 come. So 241. And after this, 242, and 243 is already given. And after this, 244, and 245 is already given. So after 245, which number come? After 245, 246 come. And after this, 247. And after this, 248, 249. And 250 is already given. After 250, 251 come. And 252 is already given. After 252, 253 come. After this, 254, 255. And 256 is already given. And after this, 257, 258, and 259 is already given. So after 259, 260 come. In the next line, 261 is already given. Now tell me, after 261, which number come? After 261, 262 come. And after this, 263, 264 is already given. So after it, 264 after 265. After it, 266, 267. And after it, 268 is already given. So after 268, 269 come. And after 269, 270. After 270, which number come? After 270, 271 come. And after 271, 72. So 272. And 273 is already given. After 73, which number come? 74. So after 273, 274. already given. So after 289 which number come? After 289 290 come. And in the next line 291 is already given. After 291 which number come? After 291 292 come. And after this 293 294, and after 294 295, and 296 is already given. So after 296 which number come? 296 297 and 298 and 299.